What up, though? It's your boy Impala J. Back with another video. I know I haven't been posting in a while, but that don't mean I haven't been working. As you can see right here, I have a 2019 Camaro SS steering wheel and my 1994 Impala. And excuse the mess. I still have to do a little bit of modification, but I will get this to work. And as you can see, I have all these controls on here. I might not get all of them to work, but I'm for sure gonna get the volume to work. That's my main goal. And I'll also get this rep to match the stock interior of the car. If you like what you see, hit the likes button, subscribe, because this will be a part 1. This is my wintertime project. So stay tuned. Man, I like that look already. And plus the steering wheel is not like the boat-like steering wheel that come with the car. Man. I know a lot of people doing a dash swap, but how about the steering wheel swap? And I'm not even gonna lie, I'm not the first guy that ever did this type of swap in a B-body, but I am the first one that ever did it with this type of steering wheel. And I like to play credit with this dude. I got this idea from this guy named Sydney. If you're on Facebook, on the Impala forums, you might know him. If not, go follow him. Like I said, stay tuned, man.